Good morning, sir.
Yes, very good morning, Sila.
Thank you, sir.
Open your books, class work and reader. Open.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Which chapter we are going to start?
Fractions and decimals.
So it is which chapter? Second chapter.
Second chapter.
It is
Second
second chapter.
chapter.
Okay. So in this chapter we have total 5 exercises. How many exercises?
5.
5 exercises. I will come to what are fractions and what are decimals. Okay. So first let us understand what are we going to study in this chapter. Okay. So total you have 5 exercises, that is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and 2.5. Okay. How many exercises are there?
5.
5 exercises. 5 exercises are there. Okay. Now actually basically they want you to teach 2 operations. How many operations?
2 operations.
Total how many mathematical operations we do have? 4
4.
are. What are they? Okay, 4 are there. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. They are not going to focus on first 2. They are not going to focus on first 2. They are going to focus on second 2. They are multiplication and
Division.
Okay. So nothing but how to multiply the fractions and how to divide the fractions. Okay. And how to multiply the decimals and how to divide the decimals. Clear? What are the 2 operations you are going to learn?
Multiplication and division.
Multiplication and
Division.
that is multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. Okay. So now in multiplication of fractions we have 2 different multiplication. Okay. One is we can multiply a whole number into fractional number. Whole number into fractional number. Okay. Second type is we can multiply fractional numbers into fractional numbers. Okay. In first case we are multiplying whole numbers and fractional numbers. Okay. In second time we are multiplying fractional numbers into fractional numbers. Okay. Now today's our topic is we are multiplying whole numbers into fractional numbers. What are we multiplying?
Whole numbers into fractional numbers.
Whole numbers into fractional numbers. Okay. So today's topic is multiplying whole number and what? Fractional number. Whole number and fractional number. Clear? So what are we going to learn? Multiplying whole number and fractional numbers. Okay. So before we move to understand multiplying whole number and fractional numbers, let us understand what are fractional numbers. What are fractional numbers? Okay. So I told no there are 5 exercises. Okay. So first 3 exercises are basically they are dedicated to fractional numbers. Okay. They are 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. They are dedicated to fractional numbers. Okay. Last 2 exercises, that is 2.4 and 2.5. They are dedicated to decimal numbers. Okay. So today we are not going to touch decimal number. First we will understand what are fractional numbers and their types. Then we will move to multiplying whole number and fractional number. So what are we going to do? We will understand first what are fractional numbers. Then their types. Then we will understand how to multiply whole numbers and fractional numbers. Clear? Now you already studied these fractional numbers and decimal number in lower grades, right?
Yes, sir.
Now can anybody tell me what are fractional numbers stand under? Can anybody tell me what are fractional numbers stand under? What did you understand from fractional numbers? Okay, fine, no issue. Okay, so you know, for example, this is the pizza. Okay, pizza. It is in which shape? Circle shape. It is in which shape? Circle shape. Okay. Now let's suppose you four of you brought one pizza. Okay. Now four of you have to divide that pizza. Okay. Now four friends you are together sitting and you want to eat that pizza four. Okay. And all should eat equal. All should eat equal pizza. Then you will divide that pizza into four parts, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you make these four parts, so each part will be how much?
4.
So this is the complete pizza, and you are four friends, and you want to eat all of you equal pizza. Okay. Then you will divide this pizza into four equal parts. Four equal parts. Nothing but so fractions are the numbers which will tell you the fraction part from the whole part. What it will tell you? It will tell you this fractional small part from the whole part. For example, if you have a circle and if you are dividing it into the four parts. If you are dividing it into the four parts. Okay. Now whole is circle. Whole is what?
Circle.
So this part, whether you take this part or this third part or fourth part, all are what?
Equal.
All are equal and they are the parts of the whole. They are parts of the whole, right? Now, what fractional numbers will say is they will tell the parts of the whole. They will tell the parts of the whole. There is some complete